Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer from our ev.com transcripts into DaVinci Resolve, beginner guide step by step clearly. Import your ev.com transcript file into your computer. Open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Create a new project by selecting New Project from the Project Manager. Name your project and click Create. Navigate to the Media tab at the bottom of the DaVinci Resolve interface. Click on Import Media to open your File Explorer. Locate the ev.com transcript file you downloaded. Select the file and click Open to import it into DaVinci Resolve. Once imported, you'll see the transcript file in the media pool. Drag the transcript file onto the timeline where you want to apply the text. Go to the Edit tab at the bottom of the screen. Select the text in the timeline by clicking on it. Adjust the settings in the Inspector panel on the top right. Choose the preferred font, size, and color for your text. Position the text in the desired area on the video frame. If needed, set the duration of the text by dragging the edges of the text clip. To sync the text with audio, refer to your audio track in the timeline. Use the audio waveforms to help align the text with the corresponding spoken words. If the transcript requires adjustments, click on the text clip again and make edits in the Inspector panel. Preview your project to ensure everything is synchronized properly. Make any necessary adjustments to timing or formatting. Once satisfied, head to the Deliver tab to export your final video. Choose your export settings and click Add to Render Queue. Finally, click Start Render to save your project with the incorporated transcript. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.